Good evening. How's everyone going tonight? So this is just a introduction. I just want to introduce this sweet little girl. This is my new kitten, London. I got her yesterday, and yesterday afternoon, about 4 o'clock ish, and yeah. So she's 6 weeks old. 7 weeks on Sunday. She settled in very well. She's been using the litter box. She's eating well, and as you can see, she's just a ball of joy and loves playing. She's got a beautiful little white tip on her tail, and she's got she's got white on her front paws. On that one white paw here. London. So yeah, I did name her London. I just think it's a cool name, and I wanted something that was a bit different. I'll show you in daylight, but she's actually got a bit of ginger in her coat as well, so that's quite cool. She's stalking me right now. These guys. So in this channel, we're gonna be doing adventures. Eventually, once she gets settled in, we're gonna get her harness trained and lead trained and all that stuff, and we're gonna go on adventures together. So yeah. Cool if you could follow along and yeah, and watch this beautiful girl go from this playful little kitten to a fully grown cat, and come along on adventures with her. So we're just going to leave this one here, and hope you all have a good evening, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.